Ahoy! Oh yes, lobster lessons. That's why I'm here. Let's go. Adventure time. I got the ear. You get the door. What is going on?
Dane, what are you doing, man?
Get ready for July 28th.
Rainy season, everybody knows that.
Dane, what's going on?
Well, we're going from spot to spot out here for mini season, so it's real important that you practice holding your breath between spots. So I'm going to practice right now from here to the next spot. We're going to get a good exhale and a good inhale.
I think he's gonna black out.
I held my breath too long, but it's very important to practice. Check back in with us later. Well, I'm just out here looking for some holes. So we got one more day, maybe two, to see if they're full.
Captain Dane, what's going on?
I'm here with Mermaid Melody. We just teaching her how to catch some lobsters, getting ready for July 28th. I just pulled up to a really nice hole out here, so I wanted her to jump in and check, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, Cappy, jump in and check and see if there's any lobster.
Bye.
Well, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna give her some lessons on how to catch lobster here down in Big Copy Key, how we do it. So here it goes. Dog, what's up? So I tell everybody, if you ain't coming up with fire coral burns on your face or bleeding, you ain't trying hard enough. So check back in with us after season's over.
Ahoy!